Okay, now ma'am come my last question, and this is a question which I am bombarded with by everyone. I'll give my answer first, then you can add your answer to that.
Sure.
एमएस अच्छा है कि पीजीडीएम अच्छा है, ये क्वेश्चन मुझे हर साल बच्चे जो दिमाग में डालते हैं ना. तो मैं, इफ यू आस्क माय थिंग, आई डिपेंड ऑन कॉलेज कॉन्सेप्ट, किस कॉलेज की
Right.
बात कर रहे हो. इफ यू
Hmm.
JB IMS का IMS with a PGDM, of course JB better है. But if you're looking at, for example, if you compare with the V school का PGDM with a very another low level college, तो V school better है. इंडिया में अगर आपको MBA करना है, प्लेसमेंट चाहिए, तो you have to look at the brand name of the college. अभी टिस हो गया, टिस is not even MBA, they're giving a MA का degree, but that MA का degree है value. So go by the name of the college. Which college you are getting, that is more important. So, ma'am, what is your take on
So
that?
I would say that whether it is PG or MMS, yes, one of the factors that you mentioned is certainly true. What is the reputation of the institution from where you are doing it? Okay, so it will change. For example, a student sometimes comes to me and, suppose, Ravneet, I ask you a counter question that I'm going to pay you 20 lakh salary and you please join my startup. And let us say one of the top level companies of your choice, they say we will pay you 10 lakhs to join us. Which company will you join? So it is not a decision that you will take on the basis of one parameter, which is aaj kya salary mil rahi, right? You are going to look at, if you're a smart and if you're a real person and if you have really done your MBA, you will understand that it is multiple parameters which you will look at. If that, you will find out if it's a startup, who is funding that startup. You will find out the reputation of that startup. You will find out, if this person has started companies before, what has happened to those companies. And then if you're convinced, then perhaps you will join it. But let us say if you're a more what you call cautious person and you think that I better join a company which has been there for around 25 years and 10 lakhs is not a bad salary, I can always go back to the startup after 2-3 years of experience in a big company. If that is the approach you have, so it is each one to his or her own game. But I will certainly say that yes, the quality of the institution, if it is something that you can find out more about the reputation, about how have they been performing in the last few years, talk to a few alumni, look at where they are headed in the future. If all the companies today are looking for how digitally savvy you are, has your institution instilled some idea of innovation or technology in their course, and there's nothing like that happening in that institution, then you'd say, okay, maybe they are very good today, but future ke liye I will reduce some points. So you have to take that call. Even in your MBA, there are multiple specializations. Finance hai, operations hai, you have HR, and then you have IT, you have marketing. So you can figure out, what are the type of organizations which are supporting, or rather, who come to this institution. Is that the space that you see yourself in? Is that where you want to be? So you have to answer multiple questions. So it's not about just answering one question, PG or MMS. It's not like a single parameter answer. You have to look at multiple things. Also, let us say if you are a student who comes, who has a good background, and if you don't have the financial backing at all to pay the fees for an institution, does the institute offer some kind of a support for students coming from weaker financial background? If they are good in what they are doing, then I would go for that institution. But otherwise, if you feel no, it is better to go for a what you call an institute where the fees are low. The fees is what is going to decide whether I will choose X or Y. Then that is your call. So everybody has their own what you call parameters to choose from.
Superb.
And I think it's a multiplication factor. If something is very important, you should multiply with that. So if you think low fees is the most important thing for you, then you say everything given, agar fees is more than 8 lakhs or 10 lakhs, I will not go here. Then I think it's decided. Eliminate kar lijiye.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, but I hope most of the students here know what is the fees of the top tier institutions in this country. And all of them also promise, and most of them keep it, to say that students are not going to be turned away because they do not have the money. Yes, there might be some challenges, but if you are a good student in the top level of rank for that institution, most institutions will make an effort to help you out in some way or the other.
Superb. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.